come give my daughter Bele. Who they here? Bye. Who they here?
Okay, what's happen now? So they make noise for this early morning. What's happen?
Your neighbor. Look my daughter West. Break her. Throw him and give her Bele.
Okay, no be my neighbor. No be my neighbor. How will they chop me? I no be my neighbor. No be give your daughter Bele. I know my neighbor. No be try her.
That's the way they talk say my neighbor do. Like, you know, if you give woman Bele. You don't run something with my sister. Nothing come out.
Hey, yeah, Moga.
Make him come out to make her hear. They come back or one back. Make him come and make her see her.
Okay, good morning.
Look at that. See person will give you Bele. See her.
This one you gather here this morning. Are these your parents?
No.
Okay, what happened?
See here, you don't cause her. It was him. It was ya body. It was him. Me. Na me. Carry her. Now you. See what you call. Carry her. Na me. The way you try to switch, you don't know.
Me one person.
Na me.
I can't impregnate any woman. I can't give any woman Bele.
One person does not trust any other woman. It's me, Bena.
Go and look for who impregnated you. Cannot be me.
Hey.
I am important. Okay, let me prove it to you. I'm coming. You are doubting it. Just hold on.
You go marry her. No be you. When you dey try to switch you don't know. You go marry her.
Look at it. Dr. Jude said it and I believed him.
Hey, what?
I am important. I can't impregnate any woman. Not even you, Bena. So go and look for who impregnated you.
So happy.
You are the one that they call.
Oh no.